In this video, I will talk about how we do install Python and prepare environment on Ubuntu. So one good news is Python already shipped it with Ubuntu stable version. So if I go here in the menu and I look for Alex terminal and I write Python 3, I should see already open 3.4. And also if you say if you click Control C, Control D, sorry, then I write Python. For sure, he already also they already ship Python 3, Python 2, and Python 3. So I don't need to install anything. They already ship everything. One thing I needed is the IDE. So if I go to Google Chrome, make sure you go to this URL, jetbeans.com/pycharm. This IDE we will use it when we work with Python. So first, try to click here on download, then click download community. It will take some time, then he will download all the package for you. So after he downloaded, the process is really easy. Just wait it, and when he done, second, here you go. Just click on it, and it will take some time to prepare this file. So I would say, hey, extract. I select the place where I need to extract it. Let me extract it on the desktop. I just like to do it in desktop. So sometime then, hey, done. Now I have it. Now I need to run some commands. So let me just take this one take the screen and try to run some commands. So wait a second for this one to goes. I say close. I'm done. So yes, this is my PyCharm. If you just click right, hopefully you see open in terminal. I want to see it here. So ls or dir, you will see I have this folder. The important for me is bin. So let me just write bin/pycharm share. So make sure it's this one. So just write this code. Bin, when you just go to the URL of the PyCharm, write bin/pycharm sh. Click enter. It will take some time until he will install the needing things. You say, hey, I don't have import setting. I say, okay. It will take some time until he do everything. So accept, and yeah, here we go. PyCharm, and yes, okay. And now everything is ready. And here's the PyCharm, and we could click here, create and start our project with PyCharm. So here we're done, and see you next.